Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this video, I will explain how to send out mass SMS to customers via our communication campaign feature. By default, the communication campaign will send out to all customers with a mobile number on file in your account. If instead you wish to specify which customers this SMS campaign goes to, you'll need to first do a customer's export by clicking on Settings, then Data Export Import and checking the customer box here to the left of the screen. Then leave the Export from Date field blank, as we want all customers to be exported. Then input your password into the password field here. Then click on Export. You will shortly receive a spreadsheet to your workshop email. Open this spreadsheet and then remove the customer IDs of all customers you do not want the SMS campaign sent to, like so. We use the customer IDs to decide which customers to send the SMS messages to, so this is the most important column. Once you have done this, you'll then need to click on the Customers and Vehicles tab and then the Communication Campaign tab. Click on the New SMS Campaign button to set up a new campaign. Input the name of your communication campaign. If you do not upload a file in the Upload a File section here, then this communication campaign will be sent to all customers. Select Upload a File here and input the message you would like to send, like so. You may also want to use one of the applicable variables, such as the customer name I am using here also. Add the message you wish to send and then specify the time and date you want the SMS sent out and select Save and Schedule. Once you have selected Save and Schedule,